Angisasesikhathi namukele kwe-Ace Coach Podcast Show libasadi kusitemidlalo lihlala iminyeni nanamuhla ke sikhona ke namuhla nilithimba lami sibuka ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ibhola lezinyawo njengoba sibona imidlalo eminyeni isechithi sakaka kanti ke sicala khona la ekhaya ku-ABC Municipal League lokumnyanzi nge-ABC Municipal League ukuthi akusathi-ke sibadlali bodlala ngale macimbi lasetulu from la ku-ABC Municipal League izinga lebhola seliphakeme sibonile ke iqembu phezulu kanye futhi ne-appreciate badlali babo from state ku-ABC baya ku-PSL lapha nje Polokwane City sibonile futhi neqembu elibafana besithende lithatha from ABC kusho kona ukuthi nje standard se-football badlali banamathuba lamanyenti ukuthi bangasayi emathimini amakhulu khona la ku-ABC bangakumisela bathola amathuba sibuka ke befuna icala ke lempela sanoleke i-Nedbank Cup kula 32 especially sibona amaqembu lamasha lamabili Fayikasi ekamhlusha Real Madrid neMasulu eChelsea egcineni iMasulu likhona qembu after ihlanzeni yahamba sithembeke ukuthi sibona kulungiswa indlela konakala khona nanyalo bekasizelanga ukuthi sicala imidlalo ye-postpone asesikhathi nginibekelele King B nawe King Movish bo King bobabili nginamke ku-Ace Coach Podcast Show.
Yeah, asibekelele man Coach Ace njengoba sashilo Coach Ace King B from BCR FM sibonge nje kuye Coach Ace ukuthi lo mhla khona kusi-invite asifike la kule podcast yakhe.
Coach Ace ngibingelele nema-viewers akho onke. Yeah, sibuyile futhi sibalethela tona ngobunjalo bato from scratch to la sekubhalwe khona.
Yes, sicale ke ABC Municipal League King Movie icala ngawe angikho hip man ngendlela ngirona ngayo ABC Municipal League every time uma icala isizini ngibona something lekhona bese sijabulile ukuthi kunemehluko nyalo sibona i-Nedbank Cup kutsala ama-fixture akhishiwe ke manje kusasa kufanele kuqale iyahlehliswa kusho ukuthini lokho plus lokho lokhona ngivele emahebeti ukuthi kuna-2 teams la registered lamanye akucaci kubonakalani ngathini njengaloko especially nawe nomoya lenza la ABC Municipal League.
Kuningi lokwendakalayo Coach Ace, there's a lot that's happening ku-ABC Municipal League phakathi the movement and shifting of ama-teams, the movement and shifting of ama-players including go-coach. Khumbula lamanye ama-teams sikhuluma nje Coach Ace athengiwe, it's just net sekulinze ukuthi kube official because yakhumbula makuthengwa i-team lona lo makayithenga i-team especially nyalo makubala i-season so ufuna kushintsha ligama afuna ukusebenzisa leli gama lebe kalisebenzisa. And another thing, the registration yama-player, I think it takes time. The administration ngilento lesikhala ngayo from scratch coaches ukuthi i-administration yama-team it has to be strong ngalenye indlela. So once the administration kuma-team iba strong and iba fast kuba lula ukuthi even isafa nayo ikhone kwenda letinye tinto lokunye futhi ustopako noma lokwenda tinto lethi so coaches ukuthi tendele ngasikhathi kuba tindzaba tema you know ukuthi kunema grants labawa issueako sometimes banokuhlala bangawatholi which are other things futhi that cause delay ngasikhathi ma-team akamanje ukutshela ukuthi siyayiboycotta lento because this is what we need and we didn't get this. So ngiyacabanga futhi ngilokunye lekufuneka kulungiseke but the bottom line is that kufuneka kulunge the administration yemacembu Coach Ace. Once kwalunga i-administration yemacembu know ukuthi everything it will be smooth and it will easily flow.
King B ngulomunye lobuyiBabathon sivile kancane nje ukuthi Makhonja All Stars ngilile macembu ngeke lingabuyi sivile nje licembu laphambili belikhona before nazo ukuthi kutothathwa bestatus Makhonja bese kuba ngilo le ABC ungathini mhlambe ngaloko especially nawe kulomunye loqalako futhi ABC soyayilandzela futhi again.
Asibonge man Coach Ace ngicabanga ukuthi kunyenti lokwendekala especially eBabathon besibuka kakhulu ukuthi uma lelicembu lemakhonja All Stars liyoqhubeka libe khona ilibhola laseBabathon toba khona ukhumbula ukuthi ma player maningi kakhulu eBabathon lokho kungenda ukuthi sibe nelicembu leli strong mongabuka nje uthathe iLFA uma uthi una 2-3 leti kwendela stream A maybe una 10 ama teams stream B una 12 ama teams ngalawo nemacembu la yodlala ku Hollywood Superbet mgwenya zone 1 lebi yathiwa ngekuthiwa iSABP4 so ngicabanga ukuthi siva buhlungu kakhulu siBabathon ngicabanga ukuthi mina uma sitoba nelicembu lelito khona ukuthi badlali babonakala njengalast uma ngokhumbula sike saba neBarberton All Stars nyalo bese sinemakhonja All Stars liyathengiswa licembu but nakhona ngeke usole management ibuka ngalendlela iyouth yaseBarberton itiphatha ngakhona bayazama kufuna ukusebenzisa lela cembu noma kusebenzisa lela gama laleli cembu ukuthi kube ngilelinye lemacembu leliya phambili but ungeke umsole naye mazibuko uma uthi licembu mina ngiyalithatha ngiyalithengisa so far so good ngibona ngazuthi kuyosithatha isikhathi lesithe futhi eBarberton ukuthi sibe nalelinye licembu but ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba iABC Municipal League itoqala naloko inedinkinga njengoba sashilo Movic if itingalungiseka leto dinkinga leto njengoba ifuna kuqala ebo Nedbank ayikhona icala lokho ke ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele management I go through to kona ikulungisa ibone ukuthi iyokulungisa njani ngoba ku delay le process ukuthi kuqale le game ngoba nyalo nyalo abantu just ifuna kuqala league ayikhona iqala league konke kumile nje kumendleleni so ngikubona kwami maybe tohamba kulunge let's hope kukhona abantu laba tokulungisa kuleli viki leli ukuze ukuthi yonke imidlalo iqale ibe right.
Moving before siphume ku ABC ngaphandle lema macembu lento beangena ukuthi athenge Titus asibuke emacembu la right la qualify kahle kaMhlusha Real Madrid bephinze bayibide ukuthi kaMhlusha City Stars go Champagne be select la season kanze futhi at last iBarberton noma eMatsulu phambili bokuyibhazuka la season basena status beMatsulu Chelsea ba qualify bangenile nabo ku ABC ba win ama playoff egcineni eMatsulu after ihlanzeni khona iABC Municipal League ungathini amaqembu amabili kaMhlusha City Stars kanye futhi neMatsulu Chelsea bathi bangena nabo for the first time kweABC Municipal League.
There's a lot to say, Coach Ace. There's a lot to say. You look at iMatsulu. Remember, iMatsulu we once had Mkhabela Yehlanzeni. You look at the players that were there are the same players la nyalo babhizi lapha kulo Chelsea. So they are the same. Remember iMatsulu Chelsea ukuthi how long ihledi ku-SAB before even the name being generated to Hollywood bekunini ilapha and they've been dominating iMatsulu. Look at iBazuka. iBazuka mina I know iBazuka from LFA yaseMatsulu. I played against them ngiyabadi, you know, and they possessed such quality. Then again you look at the coach. He knows the structure, he knows labafana, he knows the culture for the team.
Because udlalile kuyo.
Yes, udlalile kuyo. Kulala lapha ubiya kubo City Stars, ubiya kubo Forex, uyabona. So utalaphana uletha the mindset and the continuity of the culture. Yabona. So which is it's one thing like mele ingabukwa ngalatu kwemidlalo kuphela iphinze futhi ibukwe even governmental wise. Remember last time Mkhabela wakhala ngani before kuhamba eHlanzeni wakhala ngendzaba ye stadium
even nabo boto hosta kanye amazani still
exactly wakhala ngendzaba ye stadium. So mawubuka nyalo we have iMatsulu yaphuma indzaba ye stadium ukuthi ufuna silungiswe na i-team manje it says go okay right we are ready ukuthi nisinike stadium na i-team sesiyitholile ukuthi ngasenza stadium but they are forced to move. Even they might even not use Kanyamazan. They might be forced to use it's either Pogweni or Bete around town. Why in Shonjad? Remember Kanyamazan, there's still Kruger. There's still the Bees. Kruger is playing PSL. The Bees is playing NFT.
The PSL still.
Yes. So lamanye games Kruger you are dlala thola ukuthi kufuna badlale iKruger kufuna idlale Saturday the Bees kufuna idlale Sunday on the same field and ebodlala emini ngo3 ngebadlala ebusuku which means bona sefuna angeke iPSL doesn't allow so shokona ukuthi kutofuna bendeni they have to move baye kuphi to utilize kaBhokweni again kaBhokweni. There's a 99% of chances good this time to be a Trema team. Already 2 a corner. This one they won. It's about yes.
Yeah. So it's 3 teams there.
3 teams. So how are we going to play this? This is where Laknega must parameter corner Makaos because Nyalo the pressure let's corner. imagine i-team ifuna isuke eMatsulu itodlala eMbombela or eValley or eMjindini eBarberton eBrazil.
No, Toy Stadium.
Exactly. But look at the distance. Yabona. So kunyeni lekufuna, but at the end of all, Matsulu has good players, even around the Logish Lona. They're very good players. The likes of Abompai, the likes of Abo, who's this boy, the goalkeeper, yes, Nabo Aka. There are a lot, you know, they have good players. Then you go to Nkomazi. Nkomazi is big. It's big, coaches. And the quality, look at Igamtusha Real Madrid. When they entered when they entered APC Municipal last, remember what happened? Everyone counted them good. No, they will be the team that will be relegated. Finding out good, they are the team that is chasing to be champions of the stream. But the last 3 games that were decided, because they will be no longer champions. But the fight by far throughout the season, and most of my players are Agupi. Exactly. So they don't lack of players. They have everything that it takes. They can maintain, even if, but that is why they had 2 teams. Either Peace, that's why they have either Peace and the Peace United. You see? Exactly. So you see, then it's whereby you check, it's okay, the development, the cycle of development among the location, it's too much. Angeke ba run out of players. That is why you find like it's in Mpumalanga this time around. In Mpumalanga, we have sent more players who NFT and PSL. Mpumalanga, I think if we are not the first, we are the second province. They kick the players this season go PSL. If not the first, we are the second. They kick the cool.
And then King P standard say APC sesiphakeme nyalo ba players asuka straight ku APC aye ku PSL akusadinga usuyodlala ku Motsepe o Martina Setulu kusho ukuthini ngequality ye APC sibonile badlali abanye Fakers Celo Masilera Serero nayo lo Muyi product yalabaningi futhi even the season little project libadlali babathethe bakhona City uthini standard se APC nyalo ukuthi badlali lekudzinga uzibaye ekhashana from like APC bakuthatha straight to Betway Premiership.
No, ngicabanga ukuthi izinga likhuphuke ngendlela esimanga coach. Uma ungabuka even lelithuli lalibiya khona kule last 32 ye Nedbank Cup badlalile ngilabanye lebesibabona sicabanga ukuthi batobuya kahle kuma playoff. Just into lefuna ibe khona kuba ku youth noma kuba kubadlali bala eMpumalanga kusibona batiphathe kahle. Uyabona waba ne consistency kwento yakho loyifunako. Ngicabanga ukuthi in the coming 2 to 3 years so banengcumbi badlala batogijima ku Betway Premier League njengoba namanje sinebadlali abaningi kakhulu abagijima lapha ku Motsepe because uma ngathi ubuka lamaqembu ngalendlela angawo bonke abantu labaningi labasuka kulamanye ama province bafisa ngathi bangeta kutodlala kule stream sethu sala ku APC Motsepe. Uma ngobuka stream A buke na stream B uyabona ukuthi toyithule ti stream kune quality ema player. So iPSL ibuka kakhulu especially nje lama scouters abuka kakhulu eprovince ukuthi ngikuphi lokwenekako because uma ngathi uyabuka kunema player ahambile kulithuli kunema player ahambile kuFeni ama player ahambile kuphezulu kaMhlushwa Real Madrid ubuka le quality ema player ubuka lapha yana ku Polokwane City there's a young player lo hambile lapha ku Polokwane City. So bonke labadlali labo ke basuka la kisi ngicabanga ukuthi le standard sesikhulu akufani na before ukuthi babathi eMpumalanga asikhona ukuthola ama talent manyeni kakhulu. Uma ungaya nje kulama villages lehlala khona abantu yebo Bushbuck Ridge yabo Nkomazi le dance bosibange bomanange ubuye nje ubuye khona la ekhaya buka Bhuweni bomjindini imbombela yonke ukhuphuke nje uye bonkangana sine badlali just badlali bethu na coach kumele bona batitshele ukuthi thina sifunana watitshela ukuthi wena ngikuphi lokufunako ngicabanga ukuthi ungazi uguide ngithi sihlela ngaphandle ungazi uguide ma parents di guide wena enhlitweni yakho ukuthi mina khona lengikufunako wathi uma usuka la uyodlala tukulicimi ngiyalinganisa udlala ku Dankisana abahambe bayokubona ku Dankisana ukuthi yini le ndvolo iphethe utobona libhola lethu loqhubeka liphakame ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Yeah, sayibona APC ikhulile ngaphandle ku APC futhi even nakhona la etaleni nasepikoleni bo Ishigh nabaye emaqembu athatha khona ama players bona live nanyalo ecinjini noma isikolo TUT nemidlalo nje ucasa kusana Stellenbosch kusho ukuthi nje Mpumalanga as a whole say to bane focus ma scout amaningi wabona kakhulu la etikoleni everywhere ngikhuluma nje khona naSjepa baningi labanye basenkomazi baceza kusayine TS Galaxy badlala bakhona la eShaya bamele nje makuceza isikolo bantu bebajoyina ukusho ukuthi standard 6 khulile asuke ke ku ABC siye ku women's football sabona balenzile abaningi social media bebayiceka abanyane after ingenda kahle igame yokucala badliwe iTanzania 2-1 badlala idraw against Ivory Coast igame yokugcina bawina kepha nje azange kuhamba kahle mase baya kuma knockout badli balicindisive lima host iMorocco nga 2-1 kanzi ke mathuba ayehla ukuthi ba qualify by World Cup kumbuzo ama teams angena semifinal automatically a qualify World Cup hlahla leyo ke le system leyiniwe ku football yabo babe iphindze yendeka nanyalo futhi nakumali ukhumbuzo iSouth Africa ya qualifier straight yenda kahle iNigeria ngalena yakuma playoff yahluleka nanyalo ke iSouth Africa benenhlanhla yakuma playoff again edlala neNigeria futhi yaphindza futhi yakhipha iNigeria khumbuzo iNigeria khishwe iSouth Africa ngale ukuthi ngayi World Cup nanyalo futhi nanyalo ibanyabanyane ikhiphela panje iNigeria nga 2-1 inamathuba ke ibanyabanyane Movic kusiye kuma playoff yongena ku World Cup uthini ke ngeperformance yabanyabanyane ukuthi bagcineni sibabonile basha iNigeria ama defending champions eWAFCON banimathuba sibanga qualify ukudlala iWorld Cup.
Hey coach, you know utsinza something noma utsinza lenye itopic. Why ngisho njalo? It's because there's a lot that's happening in women's football. Let's attention. You're looking at the support lebayitholago. Is there any support in lebayitholago labo mark?
Yeah.
Yabona, because mawuthi I check one of the players wakhipha ivideo. Manje badlala.
Yeah.
Khipha ivideo. Kuthi there's no support. We are not supporting them. Let's be honest, Coach Ace. Are we supporting Banyana now the way we are supporting? The way we are supporting? No, let's be honest. Si I support in Banyana the way si supporting akona the guys.
No, ngicabanga.
We are not.
Yeah.
Yabona. That is why it was difficult for them to perform because of what's happening with ISAFA and like what SAFA is doing to the women's football in South Africa. They've issued a statement of cutting all the financial assistance to women's football. Exactly.
Sure, when I said Paula Leo farms.
You see, and coming back to your question, the ladies, they tried their best, but again, as they tried their best, is this the generation leso kubega now? The answer is no.
No, because don't drop
exactly. Sebatsala. Yabona. Sebatsala labantu but okay, Sebatsala, the time is now coming to an end. Do we have an upcoming generation that will take over from them?
No, I don't think.
No, we don't.
Because coach
ngaphandle kokungabathembi le coaches. Okay, we do have Ibasetsane, ne? We do have Basetsane and they are performing very well. You see? But even now Banyana, they do come. But the question is, the statement is angeke sibe na the next generation because of what SAFA is doing to women's football. They are ending women's football by bafaka block kuthi sebayivala. Yabona ayisabi ne continuation kuthi khona iqhubeke. Because if we are cutting our funds to support the leagues abomage, remember ukhumbula iHollywood yathreatenisha kuphuma because of misusement of ama funds. Isasoli yabatshela ukuthi stop phuma because you guys are not you are not making the funds or anenditi into ekumele tendiwe ngilama funds. Yabona bayithatha like yaphuma isasoli. Yaphuma nakubanyana if you remember. Mayiphuma nakubanyana then they went to talk with them. Bahlala phasi nabakhuluma nabo. Yathi okay, if we come back, we only come back to Ibanyana. And njengoba sibuye kubanyana, it will no longer be Banyana. It will be Sasol Banyana. Yabona? That means now they say okay, we are holding Isasonia, Ibanyana. Yabo? Njengoba siholda Ibanyana, then we come back. Okay, they are good Banyana. Hollywood said okay, we'll stick for this season and see what's in and danger. Yabo? Ibuya yonisaf. as the head of football lakithi South Africa. But we are cutting development. But we are cutting the funds that assist to promote players ayelapha Hollywood ayelapha national team. We are cutting the funds. Ukazathini ngalama emagama kithi.
Development.
And we are cutting the development, and again you are saying when akithi utshela thina as South Africa ukuthi you no longer need women's football national. You no longer need a national team yabo mage because mawukhatha la angeke sidevelopele lapha badlala eHollywood the years are gone tinyawa tseko yabona there are injuries. For example, look at Gabriel Salgado from EJV. How many times umbona dlala national team ugcine nini kushaya hat-trick? Just simple. Yabona. Okay, now tournament bedlala. Una how many goals kule tournament ku AFCON?
Good.
Yabona? Okay. Siyamekela. We look at uFifi. Is the Fifi that plays now the Fifi that plays 3 years back? We look at Thembi Kgatlana. Uthembi is the same Thembi that played 3 years back or 2 years back? Or the WAFCON, but is she the same? Is she the same?
Because uma even na reflect in that goal and try to work on an initial goal after Shailela goal.
So meaning we are at the verge of ending noma seyavaleka
le era.
Yes. Yabo leyo khupula lama player to the next
level, especially overseas.
So that means women's football in South Africa seyaphela. And then nyalo kusasol ma teams zikayaphuma. So far since kuphumele statement, sina 2 teams zasekaphumile league lakithi.
Yabo.
Kune agent meeting, I think it's scheduled for today or tomorrow. Lekufuna yendeke between Sapphire teams lakithi eMpumalanga. If that meeting why bakhala ngemali. You see, a team that spends 10,000 rand a game. You know who's a team that spends 10,000 rand a game? A game. Badlala Sunday labantu ngo-1, but they spend 10,000 rand on that game. Biyangukho kanjani. Iteksi kusuka eNkomazi bayodlala ku-Absa eBush. Le before ungena uthi Limpopo just need la side it. Uyadlula le kubohluvukani ngale. They spend 4,000 rand
for
transport.
Senemali kuhle.
Funa ku adle referee ahlala clubhouse. So how much is all that? But it gets actually we are no longer providing financial assistance for women's football. Asabanik matches, very matches yakuthi naba ansabanik vena agcina ngo2010. Unagcina 2010. Ubani there's no asekho matches. Marisa Sol every year they keep in the budget matches, they keep everything. So but the girls they performed bazamile even now we ngathi kuthi boma bosibali bethu sibakwatisile ngalaba khishwe bobabe ngalaba khishwa ngilabo make futhi akusilula. But the thing is coach is they've tried but going forward asana lutho.
And then King B South Africa nje basabalile King movie ukuthi izabile nyalo ya iwinile namathuba ukuthi bangaya kuma playoff fune badlale futhi nyalo again ikana ngiyilo winile futhi again. Yababona indlela yabo icaca yephambili because ba playoff tough and even noma ngawina la isafuneka udlala futhi again November kuma playoff.
No ngicabanga ukuthi coach Ace injongoba balile King movie into lesiyidinga kakhulu support the moment singaba support the moment babona ngazo ukuthi vele sibalahlile because badzenga isupported banyana kukho into lengahlula kuyena just that ukuthi ebholeni kunalawo ma moments ekhathala yabo njengoba asho Movic labanye sebakhathele man ngicabanga ukuthi isitho khona qualify but uma sesiqhaqheze qualify mase sibuye ngicabanga ukuthi umceceshi into lekufuna hlale phansi sayena is to get bani la ngazi basasebasha maningi lama team la khona man le badlala
Phumule boSwarti.
phumule bantu
Baswarti vele
bakhamba batohamba
Every time.
khona la sports khona Swarti man igame is two bhuti man
waphansi bole etulu
akabuye ibeef lekhona kuDlamini nemceceshi or nemanagement abahlale phansi balungise because akukho simo lesingandluli siyamdinga Dlamini experience lanayo kuvimbeni kwakhe asithi Swarti akana experience but siyamdinga
even World Cup eMoscow futhi
kakhulu so ngicabanga ukuthi before ubuye ngicabanga ukuthi asibaniketeni le support main thing lebalekile asisupporteni banyana as a support ayibafana uma singaya kule ya support usinoma badlala kusiphi stadium siphume in numbers siba supporter labanye lento yekugceka ngicabanga ukuthi sobuya sigcine ngayo because bakhona la ngithi usilingise njengalamanye ema countries man make sure ukuthi I football yabo baye respecta ngaso sonke isikhathi lokwenteka kulelo cimbo batogcina ngako after igame seyiphelile
and then sesigoqoda ke I women's football sesiya ku Betway ngithi angifuni ngikhulume kakhulu yebo ngifuna nithi nisho ngicela ngabe King B I-final sibona kudlala iMalawi sibona iStrong idlala neCameroon kunayipi
ngicabanga ukuthi Cameroon into wina lo mdlalo simple Cameroon strong bengititshele nje nami uma ngibukela igame yeCameroon badlala neMorocco ngititshela ukuthi maybe iMorocco into bese ichamuka iba fast just iCameroon but wami iyakhona kudlala pound to pound ivula space kuphela Cameroon into wina lo mdlalo
King
Mhleka kancane coach AC because mina
ibonile strong
I'm more of the advocate ngala ku sports yabo ku women's sport. The problem lenginayo ne with Cameroon ne is that their midfield is strong, their defense is weak.
and iMalawi strong
Malawi attacking wise they are so and the strength sa this Chawinga girls it was so much terrifying for Cameroon. So I see Malawi winning this game. Definitely I see them winning.
kahle ngoba anivumelani ngisho
Mina I see them winning and not with just a simple score like 1-0. No, from 2 upwards.
amagoli abamaningi vele
Marcos they are there.
no but that game mina personal nje no iCameroon it's just that ukuthi uma badlala ne uma iCameroon uma badlala ne na the team labaceza kudlala nayo iMorocco nyaka iMorocco ichamuke idefend yabo so nabo bafuna kubamba that is why that game beyoyibona ngathi too emotional but so far iCameroon idlala good football ngiyamva uthena abekho good ku defensive ba good but khumbula ukuthi bayostudisha leli cembu nabo phela baya final bobuka iweakness yale team lele but mina so far sizobuye sihlale phansi sikhulume ngikutshela Cameroon will win this game with 3-1
ngikhumbule we are recording pheze sidlale futhi sisho ukuthi Movic uhlite kuwina iMalawi
mina I say 3-1 the score is 3-1
kuna iCameroon yeah sadke ngoba batokuphinza futhi babukeli and then asibuke ke siyaphuma ku football sebona iBetway Premiership icele ngemandla Chiefs agenda kahle ke ku MTN bona balandzeli basibona vele bangafuni ukudlala ku MTN but focus at kwe league ngikhuluma nawe nje ihleli lapha etulu ngiyabeva labanye bathi iremote kuphi is on top basi Chiefs yabo asadi ke ukuthi kudala nala season Chiefs aqala so inanyelo number 1 balandzeli bathi vele abasayifuni kudlala nemateam amanye bacela nyalo before the game eSundowns bayasho basicela babanike iPirates because birthday competition noma babanike Spain win World Cup na Chiefs into bedlala tisuka nje already ina 6 point nemagoli ishayile ayanga concede idlala igame lenkulu nyalo umuntu obuke kuyo le weekend le against Sundowns nayo leceka ko imove especially Rowan Williams lamalanga akekho good simbonile na during the week simbonile nama games lamanye against Polokwane City Movic iChiefs last time badlala neSundowns badlala idraw ya new team yokuqala isiphazamisa Sundowns bangawin ileague badlala idraw 1-1 before yadliwa iqembu la ekhaya TS Galaxy babuya futhi again nyalo iChiefs la ekhaya according to the performance lesibonile nyalo 2 games leba winile against Kruger against Sekhukhune, and then Sundowns against TS Galaxy, and against Kulon City. Uma uyibuka head to head, ubona kuyi-draw or ubona i-Chiefs iwina or ubona Sundowns iwina?
There's a lot, Coach AC, when it comes to these two teams. From technical wise, going to individual performance to a team performance. You look at Sundowns, and challenging Abong Sundowns because they recently played Lakai. You look at them against TS Galaxy. Ne? What I've noticed that Sundowns, they're easy panika every time Abamak.
Yeah.
That's one thing Chiefs they take advantage of Sundowns. Sundowns ngabambi ball, they rush to attack. Once wabamaka, wabapress, ba lose the ball. That's how ilko le Galaxy lingene yakho le laliswana. Yabona? Lingene njalo because whenever basidlala le ball ungabapress ba loser. Yabo? The confident players labayijwayele lento balimele abekho.
Hayi sibabekele game i-Chiefs.
No.
Balimele.
Buka bomkwena. You see?
Kwena ngisho umuntu badlala.
Even though but
bebambekele le game le bona bongizele.
It won't work. It won't work because look at Kaizer Chiefs, Coach Ace, ne? Chiefs has ngathi ibuildile and the building is still growing. Even though every year they are still building every year. Every year the Chiefs are built. Angeke bavuke bathi sesi right nyalo. Bohlala ba build yabo. But what I've noticed in the Chiefs is that whenever an opportunity is created, they make means of it. Yabo. Niyo indo leto lengapelito basit. Mara. Once they allow Sundowns to catch them with counter attacks, speed is Van Veek, but in trouble because they will commit more fouls, and those fouls will result to amass set pieces which they are not good in defending them.
So ukubona kwakho ke before
ngibonela draw le game.
And then sive wena ke uthini kule game because umuntu akayibali ama games ngokubaleya i-Chiefs.
No, coach ngicabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs ngalendlela idlala ngakhona. If iyoqhamuka kungile Chiefs badlala ngakhona manje uma badlala neSekhukhune United. The last 65 noma the last 55 minutes labaqhamuke ngakhona nema sub a coach ngicabanga ukuthi kuto basebenzela because you see ngeke ngevala abanye bathi i-Chiefs ayikasayini kahle yende in but asibaniketeni singaba doubt because uma ungabuka ku past 2 years uma i-Chiefs ne-Sundowns badlala Sundowns ngathi ngikhumbula iwina kayi-1 babe bathatha i-draw last season babe nema-draw kuphela so lokho kukutshela ukuthi akusilula ukuthi i-Chiefs nayo uma idlala nema-team kufaka ekhathi bo Sundowns bo Pirates badlala njenge-squad lesicinile but mabadlala nema-teams lamancane abona nje uma badliwa le game yabo ye-Golden Arrows bengacabanga bebadlala bebona lapho nangaphandle kokuphuza lo goalkeeper bebadlala as individual bebangadlala as team yabona laphana wonke umuntu bekathi mina ngifuna ukuthi ikorela igoli yami bebede lento lebayende manje yabona manje ubonile nje iloyana i-card yabo ngalendlela badlale ngalo goal number 2 uchamuke ekutseni kakhulu ngalendlela uchamuka khona so kwabangileli goal lelinhle goal number 1 nakhona Solomon ngalendlela adlale ngakhona uthola Batman ngilomunye umuntu lotimiselayo ngicabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs bangayidlala i-draw ya 1-1 bangayidlala i-draw ya 2-2 angiboni kuba nelicembu leliwina uma i-Sundowns uchamuka nayo ngalendlela bedlala ngayo TS Galaxy idlisile that game angathi uSbennett Parker yini bekayenda enamasap labalekile angathi usizindonga umbeka kanjani odlala i-right back ekubeni befuna
ukudlala system lehlukile
bekumele nje adlale lelwinga letulu ahlukane nekudlala i-right back because bengamsebenzeli bekakhoza uma ubuke nje TS Galaxy for the first 20 minutes mistake azidonga beyamaningi kakhulu emuva. I think ubese
That
uya
leads to the first
adjust now.
penalty.
Yeah ngilasifika khona kuleya penalty. But uma sibuka iChiefs ngalendlela edlala ngakhona la kulesizo ngicabanga ukuthi mina emuntu likufuna bamfake. That is why ngitshela abantu ukuthi noma ungathi umthetho awufile bhuti. Mara kukhona umthetho la uyomfaka khona. No kukhona umthetho. Yeah yabona kule game le bamfaka kuye Mbombela Stadium uma badlala neCrew. Le game lena basibantu wayi bangakhipha imithetho bafaka Ndlovu. No umkhipha nje khipha amabuwa because uyambona ukuthi akasiniketi lento lesifuna.
Abagame amanika udiscuss
Faka umthetho bhuti usilomunye bekungumthetho ngiRodri. Yeah ibasho njalo bathi hayi umthetho but so far ngicabanga ukuthi le game ngahle iphele nga 1-1 noma iphele nga 0-0 ngoba bayasabana nabo akusingilo umuntu ukuthi uyafuna ukuya pound to pound ukuthi ngifuna kuyodlalela kuweni nalo ukuthi ngifuna ukudefender nalo but ngicabanga ukuthi abalethele umfana Maloiswana uToba Costa kakhulu ngekweli iattitude yakhe uarrogance ngalenye indlela umakha noma kanjani lokho ke uToba Costa ukuthi team yabe iqinile because akanankinga yekumakha that is why ngeva buhlungu abahambisa umdlalo emsimango the young player promising one yabona lapha yana but Stellenbosch isithole defender
yaliphudo lami likhulu ke asigijime lokumnanzi ke le weekend le sibona amaqembu la amabili adlala latanako ku Motsepe Foundation Championship munye nangu ugqoka ijezi layo eMilford ebane Kruger elokumnazi lapho nemaplayer amabili ethu leswatiko sicelo masilela ubuya kimi mfana wami Jesus bese ngibona Ozil naye futhi udlalile the first game udlalile kimi
kuba nafakuthi
so sibukele le game leyo ke sicela ngawe Movik especially ugqoke eMilford kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi badlali bethu lababili baperforme kahle the first game sibone Ozil against the Chiefs the full 90 minutes bamsicela udlala game second half kepha sibuka nyalo botembe badlala for the first time against each other ku Betway Premiership badlala against each other Motsepe Foundation kusho ukuthini le game leyo singadizela in ne league yethu yala South Africa endlela sibona abadlali bangakhona benda ngakhona umsobukana le opportunity le nasebumalanga babathoni ke esiphamisele tandla naku kuyondeka ungathinga le game leyo Ozil against Masilela babuya from the province yenye from also futhi netikwe
same location ekushona
there's a lot noma baningi lesingakhuluma ngabo coach Ace
but ngikhuluma ngalo lo shows bathi bafake egaming poster labanye ngebadlali
baningi coach Ace we have bo Malachi just number 12 ku Kruger good player a very good player udlalisa kwaMaselo Charline Longe but ngokubuka kwami
umhlolile le game leya
ngokubuka kwami kwale game between these two teams I have the lucky towards them bayatana bona but the main thing coach is that Milford has come noma better with a new strategy
already bana 3 points
better with a new strategy meanwhile Kruger Coach Abraham with Joel Masuta they are Ngatbasa still trying to find their feet on this league right so I think in the footlenye ngathi ibaqinzetele is to play a big game on their first game leyo nayo ngilenye futhi lethe ipressure lenkulu kubo because we're not able enough to see the likes of Abondlovu Boketho yabona to see the likes noma the quality yabo Ibrahim Sidat Nabonel yabona but going to this game I think it's where their real faith will be tested kule game because these two teams these two teams they've played a very interesting game against each other last season yes yabona so ngiyacabanga but ngokubona kwami just to make it short ngokubona kwami iMilford have the upper hand ku Kruger
bashayile away last season Kailai
now
first game ya coach Abraham
I've watched both of the teams currently the way badlala ngakhona manje I can tell you Milford have the upper hand ku Kruger reason being last season Kruger versus the Bees Stelo was troublesome against the defense. It defense the Bees, ye Kruger, be struggling shagmaka Stelo. But again, the same defense is the same defense that is there now also.
but mehluko ukuthi angeke abacala ngaye isicelo kufanele nangayibi
You won't know.
yeah angeke wathi
You won't know. Look at how he performed with this game.
Isibuya kwe manje.
Then are you telling me ukuthi angeke angakanani ama chances ukuthi bangamqalisi?
even i-combination nayo nje bathole 3 point wabo kuqala.
Look at Coach Ace, let's be open to be honest la. Singayile nale. They've played ungenile sicelo. What makangena sicelo, a cross was delivered was snatcher a goal. Ne? The goal was ruled offside, which is something that I didn't see with offside. Then you look at the movement yakhe, you look at the way he plays. Then in Chelsea, if you were the coach, angaka ama chances ukuthi wena umqalise kule game.
Because lokho khona ma player sometimes performa kahle kule games. Naloko lethi coach uyafuna wena ukuthi kube yiphona angeke wafake onke ama best players uyabufuna
Uyabhaca Coach Ace. Uyabhaca. Ungabhaci. So the thing is Coach Ace, ne? This game for Kruger, it's more important. That is why it often go attack fast Kruger. That's what you will see. But often attack.
the confidence but
the more ba attack, ne? Because midfield they want you to come to them. Mauya kubo they take the ball by stretch abafaka space la usuwakho.
and then
So I don't see Kruger making it alive.
or even point born by Buya.
I don't see Kruger making it alive with this game. I love them.
You are recording.
Yeah, we are recording. and I'm being honest.
But siyarecord.
I love Kruger. It's my home team.
Yeah.
Yasekhaya. Yes. Kruger yasekhaya. I'm not talking favoritism. If I was talking favoritism, bengitosho Kruger. I'm talking football. I'm talking football general.
Point about told.
I'm talking football general.
Straight win.
I'm talking football general. Milford has the upper hand with Kruger. I don't see Kruger coming back, especially there.
And then sabona speaking impact ya uzina masilela Kingpile game leyo sayiliza in special sibabonile nyalo ma coaches uraqhubeka basemba.
No, I think one of the best mawukhuluma nga Ozil kule midfield elicembu la iKruger United. Mncane unesibinzi. Ngalendlela nesibinzi ngakhona. Mina bengacabanga usanga udlala lo ya 90 minutes
Sibonge imali kwangema because ngema beka.
Yeah. No, but ngicabanga ukuthi impact toba iningi. Just ukuthi wona coach as Ashomovic kuyo determine ukuthi bo coach baqhamuka ngasiphi strategy. Mina nje ngiwathanza wonke lamaqembu especially ngoba onke kudlala bafana lesikhula nabe Barberton. Uma usubuka iqembu leKruger kuna Ozil kuna mfana wakafaka lapha but seko determine ukuthi umceceshi ngibuphi ibuhlakani la yobusebenzisa kulamaqembu yi2 because kunga end up linye lo winner nga end up linye loser nga end up kuba ne draw cards.
So we never back.
But no, mina ngifuna iqembu lami leKruger loyini. Despite ukuthi sicelo udlala kulephi iqembu. Remember ukuthi iqembu leKruger la khona la ekhaya eMpumalanga. So mina Mwilingi ngifisa ukuthi umceceshi weqembu leKruger ngathi angaba nebuhlakani lobungetulo kwelicembu leMilford because siyawadinga lama points. Le dance emsileni ngisisemsileni sinephuzu linye kuphela. So uma singawina siba na 4 point. Bangaluza bona still baba na 3 point. Danger still league isacala man but mina ngifisa umceceshi wethu angakwenda lokho kusebenzele selicembu leKruger United ukuthi sithathe ama points amathathu.
Sasela ekhaya sibona iChess Galaxy icele ekhaya ibe ne chance 2 minutes before umdlalo uphele ba consider 2 goals. Sibona igame bayithethe nyalo against Arrows iceza kushaya iChiefs idlala idraw nyalo during the week ku derby. Bodlala bayibikisa eSolomon Mahlangu. Uqhubeka ngabe Kingpile. After the game lesibonile against Sundowns bende kahle bebani bathosi bangabini especially bani apha head against Sundowns recent times bonile nala season bayishaya kayi2 bodlala ekhaya eSolomon Mahlangu babe ne run lenhle la season ibaniketile iSolomon Mahlangu ima victories lamaningi base bangena ne final against Arrows sibonile le comfortable ebholeni against the Chiefs uyibona ifika kuphi iGalaxy eSolomon Mahlangu against Arrows Sunday.
No, so far ngibukele iChess Galaxy against Golden Arrows even last season ayizange sinike double khona Golden Arrows sishayile la eMbombela Stadium eKing Ross 3-0 mangasini 3-1 game yethu home games uma uyathi ukuthi licembu nelicembu malidlala lelicembu leKaizer Chiefs o Orlando Pirates o Mamelodi Sundowns bafuna ukuthi improve bafuna kumake sure ukuthi standard sabo se-football sibe high because badlala nelicembu nabo labalisabako but uma bamatcha bodwana ababi nale ukuthi ya ukuthi vele sinake khona but licembu le-TS Galaxy njengoba ngihlala ngisho noma badlala naliphi licembu bamake sure ukuthi bayakufikela vele so mina ngibona ngathi licembu lito khona kuwina because kumixa igame eSolomon Mahlangu akusiliphutha ngibona ngazi ukuthi still it's another opportunity ukuthi bani base Solomon Mahlangu nabo from kuleli side langala ku Witbank ukhuphuka bakhona ukubukela umdlalo ba enjoy football atobuya lamanye ama game so for mina icembu le-TS Galaxy ngalendlela ngilibona lidlala ngakhona uma umqeqeshi Benel Park ayosebenzisa lobuhlakani bakhe lalabsebenzi yabona kulabantu abafake kule next 65 minutes uletha bombunjana udlale ngendlela lenhle bengacabanga ukuthi imbunjana ngasakhona kushaya lawo ama-passes mawuqhamuka nje akatatatela kalilahle ibhola singaphinza swini futhi kule Narrows ayisi-team lengathi iyangicakacaka kakhulu njengoba ngisho bangahlangana nema-teams lamakhulu vele bakhona kwenda i-impact but kulama-team labalingana nawo kuyabahlula kwenda lokho.
And then King Movik sabona coach ube ne-system lesingakenizelanga against Sundowns 3-5-2 sabona Nazindonga amdlalisa as a wing back wazocommita ne-penalty and then Lungile sikubonile futhi umdlali lapha nje Xulu indlela adlala ngakhona naMahlambi especially Yamthembo there was a time Storm keeper especially ma-passes akhe bengekho ukuthi wabona into efuna 90 minutes and then Ngwenya waduma kuleli ground la season siphamandla against Sundowns but sisicalile season ngibona ukuthi akamdlalisi kangaka ungathini sofaka ngale system leyisebentisile 3-5-2 yangibona echubeka ngayo and then nalabadlali abasebenzisa konyalo indlela abadlalisa ngakhona ama positions yini ukubonile kuye and then uyabona mhlambe ku Sundowns kuphela or uyambona umsebenzisa against Arrows le 3-5-2 again.
Yeah, I think it's good time to play the boys because when you check against Sundowns as a coach there was a lot that we expected Guti angagwenda but he never did because especially coming second half we're expecting Guti afage noma pull in ulon who's this boy George we're supposed to be ngadonsa George and bring in umfana Polish but he never did and again we expected because maybe he can still sacrifice Ulitswalo push in Uzindonga to the target then bring in Ulowanjanis Uxulu to maintain because if you get players like Uxulu and Mahlambi by the wing you know glamour side or two you have speed you have skills you have quality crosses then you have Uzindonga at the target with the header behind Yena you have Polish you know I think you got a very good attacking players very good because look at Uxulu no complications ubene development le solidly right you know playing to Gapogweni Future Stars coming to East High I think has one of the best development because you look at when he played a Premier's Cup he was one of the reason why Galaxy made it yes he was one of the players that made it because Galaxy be my champions you see looking at the way he delivers the crosses my crosses actually they were never wrong you know it's just a matter of having that height Victor Atanda ukhetha bafethu Victor Atanda chesta big pass
Marushayo inhlobo igoli kuyi
yes but akathanda ukhetha let's be honest Victor akathanda ukhetha you know akathanda ukhetha so if you have players like Bozindonga a player who's good is good ngenhloko you know the Mozambican if you
Cedric George
exactly so I say if he brings in these boys against Golden Arrows I think it's a good test remember Golden Arrows just to remind you coaches Golden Arrows not this boy I forgot his name Gray from the Bees we used to call him Messi Ubia from the Bees he's there very good boy you know very good so it's something that can noma le game le funeka le koba ngiyo let's add these players to the game it's whereby it's testing angeke sibal game le cool but the game lamancane ngila sithi is now ready to attest what he wanted to see to the players because that's where they have to prove themselves. Ngilafuna baprove khona ke manje. So we gave the opportunity, the chance, we gave the strategy of how he needs to play, because I think Galaxy has one of the most decorated, attackers. You know, it's just a matter of using them the correct way.
Yeah, sister phuma ke ku Betway isikhathi ilibhodo lami before siphuma ke sibuka ama transfer news ma team asanile badlali sibonile la ngelihle phiri already 20 impact na Haladu we Pirates sola simboni sabona ne Sundowns nakhona futhi lenze badlali labanye so far Kingpin ngiphi team le impress kahle loyibonisane kahle badlali season so far ngama teams sobonile.
No, ngicabanga ilicembu le-Kaizer Chiefs the best signing labayendile for Phil nalokubani labaningi bebathi i-Chiefs ayikasayini kahle because siyabona mina ngihlala ngisho ngithi the moment i-Chiefs isayina nithi ayisayini kahle iyasayina nithi hayi lo mdlalo abamsayinile bekungamelanga bamsayine ecenjini leliso but siyayidinga le competition. Chiefs is a big team so far mina ngibona ngasi basayine kahle sibaniketeni leyo credit sibabone ukuthi batowina njani. Sundowns asiyibongise ubuyele futhi Keshaz Malula ngicabanga ukuthi utophinza aba-assist futhi because siyabona ukuthi ngalendlela kungayo bamdzinga lomnye umdlalo njengoba khambe boPeter Shalulile kulela cembu so ngicabanga ukuthi le stability kulamacembu yi2 labo wendile even nalo licembu leOrlando Pirates they did sign uLunga is the best player lebalisayinile umbonile ushayile igoli against iDurban City uma badlala uluza lelula but ngicabanga ukuthi onke lamacembu endema signing but iChiefs ngicabanga ukuthi ngase ngathola one striker listo khona ku assist abo Ecuador Bana da Silva ngale phambili so that if bane problem buwandile Dube bangakhona ukuscore 1% must take that responsibility ekushaya amagoli.
So far impress kangakanani ngale transfer window ngama player khona ne team ngiphi mhlawumbe lobona kahle ama signings so far ku
I think for me anginankinga na most of the teams King Biashito uthi Chiefs is being one of the teams that sign good, but for me Coach Ace I think Polokwane City and Milford are the ones. Milford they shot ngama attackers with the ball player. They managed to get that. Polokwane City they shot with that young stability to continue the generation. They managed to get that from my players from ABC Mutsipe and the NFD. So I think they had a good season and signing, including in Milford. One of the in Makesi.
Yeah.
Now it's one of the teams that managed to sign, and I was surprised with Marumo Kelent. Oh, Kosha 12 for sign 12.
Yeah, ukhipha squad sonke fana njengalento lento body piece hambisa sonke uletha lesinye.
Ngesisikhithima standard sabo ref ngibonile kakhulu social media bakhala ngabo ngibonile le game ye Sundowns ne TS Galaxy nelapho ma penalties ngibonile also nele game ye kakhulu kade eMaZulu against iPirates bafuna bene red card lapha ubuya ku long injury phinza futhi thola le injury phambi kwa ref asama bane red card and then also goal eMaZulu balikhatha lapha so far lime game sadlalile ngisini standard se referee
so far ngibona ngazuthi lento yevali yafunaka ukuthi balethe VR because you see sohlala sikhala ngaso sonke isikhathi bayojabula labanye abantu labanye bayokwata bayobenefita labanye angeba benefit so far ngibona ngazuthi kufanele baphakamise because lama incident lendekile lapha yana uphula icareer ubulala icareer yomuntu Pirates bekumele kubidliwe lapha yana asibene honest singafuni nokufavor that one it was a clear goal ayikho nje offside coming again le goal le TS Galaxy say third goal bigger offside no doubt.
Then movie sesi story koqoqa sabona iproduct ye Kaizer Chiefs ne TS Galaxy post dilejane uphamsi flex unathi goals ushaya ibrace ebakela ama quarter finals ngathini ku ngale phesheya icebula kuqhumbule say teammate na Lewandowski ngale eqenjini le Chicago Fire.
I think he wasn't used by Kaizer Chiefs but being used with TS Galaxy. Remember Chiefs amfuna back ukuthi sign a contract, he refused. He was advised to go to a contract elsewhere, and luckily enough wayithola overseas, which is a good move, and he's performing good. Coach wakhe ushit wathi you know what, Puso won't play that much this season. Will put him good develop go the second team. But next season, which is this season, that's good. He will definitely play. And again, I emphasize that currently, I think 3 days back, you know what? Puso is ready to play the whole season, and it's good. Now, Pedro, he has an assist. My assist, he's a key player. Bunyamalala Wambogas with injury, Puso stood up and managed good to when the team, my opponents are defensive, I'm a defender, your team up.
Yeah, ngisatonilaza futhi next week 22 uyabuya njalo ye-Municipal Foundation Championship is local Cross Stars. Igama ngibonile mos.
Yeah.
Real natives.
Yeah, natives. And then also futhi the beast is a local group season yesibili. Kepha kwanyalo athatha isikhathi ngibonge ukuthi ngibe nani namuhla ngicabanga ababukeli bethu bathojabula about lema analysis lobuqopho leninabo lenikhiphile namuhla asembeke ukuthi nibe spot on because ngiyadvele batosala abantu bakhona ba because lema game odlala njalo ngibona ukuthi nje so far benibone kahle yini sibuka sembeke ukuthi sifike enhlanhla kebanye abanyane going forward ukuthi qualify ye-World Cup angithatha isikhathi nginibonge ngivalelise amavani ukucina.
Sibonga Coach Ace, sibonga opportunity and sibonga futhi ukuthi nabalaleli noma ababukeli baqhubele ba-followishe ba-subscribe ku channel.
Yeah, no, sibonga kakhulu coach. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunyeni lokwendile sifundza kuwe lokunye ungilumunye nje ukuthi uma ukhuluma ufuna ukuthi bantu bende lento lo yishoko siyathi ukuthi akukho lula ukuthatha le step lo sicalile nathi la sikhona khona abantu abachubeke bakufollowe bakulandzelele as ungilumunye lesikufisela inhlanhla kwathini sithi masisuka la siya la sebenza khona bantu bafike babe proud ngathi.
Yeah, sisase sibikela kuyo i-SD Coach podcast show namhla ke sihambile sabuka okuningi kepha nje asithembeke ukuthi nje nikujabulele bese niphasele kona SD Coach ku SD Coach podcast show.